innovation,
reliable,
speed, performance,
integrity.
fast.
The McLaren Group is an automotive company that develops, manufactures and deploys racing cars, sports cars and electronics. Formula One is the third most watched sporting event in the world today. Formula One car is an incredibly complex machine. It's made up of about 11,000 different components, and you need to be able to look in detail at every aspect of its performance.
The ECU is the engine control unit on the car, and that controls the whole powertrain and manages all the sensors and collects all the data for the car so you can analyse what that car does. The trouble we were having with our previous system, file-based storage of the data, was the performance. Without a database, we were unable to distribute just parts of the data across networks, etc.
McLaren came to Conchango and said they wanted to rebuild the Atlas application and improve the analytics on the Formula One racing car.
Atlas is the tool that we use to get the data off the car and understand what the car is doing and what could be done with the performance.
The real-time data from the car is just one part of the jigsaw. There's data coming from many different sources.
Core to the architecture of the McLaren solution was SQL Server 2008, Visual Studio 2008, and especially the Silverlight technologies that allowed us to create the most amazing visual interfaces for the data for race engineers that had not been seen before.
The Microsoft Application Platform gives us the ability to grab the piece of information that we need and to be able to view it on familiar tools.
FileStream is a new feature in SQL Server 2008. It enabled McLaren to achieve the performance that they were looking for. It also enabled them to re-platform their existing solution using a great deal of existing code.
It then made it very simple to use reporting services within SQL Server 2008 to expose that data to the analytical tools within Atlas and also with Microsoft Excel,
giving the engineers the intelligence they need to be able to analyze and mine the data.
In F1, competition is intense, so security of data is paramount. With SQL Server 2008, we were to use all the new security controls to mean that even the smallest portion of data can only be accessed by one or two people.
We chose SQL Server 2008 as a data platform really because of the performance, and the scalability has really worked very well for us. A race, you'll collect several gigabytes of data, and that adds up over a year. It can be up to 5 terabytes of data that a typical race team will collect.
The productivity benefits are in the 200 to 300% increases on what we were doing this time last year.
The key to a good data system is performance and familiarity. Basing it on Microsoft Application Platform, we have a real winner.